Player of the game, AC La Cruz.
State your name. Do solemnly pledge that I will be guided by the highest standard of sportsmanship and fair play. The aims and purpose for which it is being held. So help me God. Alright guys, welcome.
O, ano masasabi mo sa best player ngayon? Ano masasabi mo?
Magagaling yung kakampi ko, pinapasahan nila ako ng maganda.
Yan!
Ball protection is the key. Future champion.
Future champion.
Would you even be with me if it's so out of your way? Would you spend your time with me, building a life every day? I could be everything you wanted, I don't mind, no. Is it worth it? I want you to tell me every time. The water's cold, I wish I'd known this road isn't the easiest. I wanna know what you told